Welcome to my channel SudiptaFadFashion SFF. Warli Art is a tribal painting style from Maharashtra, India, known for its simple geometric figures and earthy backgrounds. Here's a clear step-by-step beginner's guide to creating your own Warli painting, starting with basic materials and moving through composition, drawing and finishing touches. Artist palette materials you'll need: base surface, handmade paper, canvas or even a mud brown painted board. Colors: traditionally white pigment rice paste, but you can use white acrylic paint or poster colors. Brushes/tools: fine brushes, twigs or round tip tools for dots. Pencil for sketching outlines before painting. Step-by-step guide. 1. Prepare the background. Paint the surface with an earthy tone, brown, ochre or terracotta. Let it dry completely before starting. 2. Sketch the composition. Lightly draw the main theme: village life, nature or rituals. Use basic geometric shapes. Circle represents sun, moon or community gatherings. Triangle symbolizes humans, animals or trees. Square sacred enclosures or houses. 3. Draw human figures. Create figures with 2 triangles joined at the tip, one for torso, one for lower body. Add a small circle for the head. Position them in dynamic poses: dancing, farming, celebrating. 4. Add nature and surroundings: trees. Use straight lines with triangular leaves. Animals simplify into triangles and circles. Everyday objects: huts, fishing nets, musical instruments. 5. Fill with rhythmic patterns. Repeat motifs to create movement and harmony. Add dots and lines to fill empty spaces, symbolizing energy. 6. Paint with white. Use white paint to carefully trace over your pencil sketches. Keep lines thin and consistent for authenticity. 7. Final touches. Highlight central figures with slightly thicker lines. Ensure balance: no overcrowding but no large empty spaces. Tips for beginners: start with small compositions like 2 dancing figures under a tree. Practice basic shapes before attempting complex scenes. Keep the style minimalist. Warli Art thrives on simplicity. Use storytelling: every painting should narrate a slice of life. Common mistakes to avoid: over-detailing. Warli Art is symbolic, not realistic. Uneven lines. Practice steady strokes for clean figures. Ignoring symmetry. Balance is key in Warli compositions. Practice exercise. Try painting a tapa dance scene. Draw a circle of human figures holding hands. Place a musician with a trumpet-like instrument, tapa, in the center. Surround with trees, huts and animals. Thank you for watching the step-by-step guide from SudiptaFadFashion SFF. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share.